In this part we are going to create a small Android application where it is going to change its color, size and font whenever we click a button. So hit a start a new project, and it is going to start this dialog. So let me change properties of text. Okay, so hit next and then next, choose the empty activity and hit next. So leave it all of them as default and hit finish. So it is going to create a project for us, and here it is still loading. Now the first thing that I want to do is that I want to grab this text into this the middle of the screen and drag one button. So this will be the button, and I'm going to change the text as change the properties. Okay, so and I'm going to place the ID name as button itself. And okay, now I'm going into the main activity file, and I'm going to create the object of button and name it as button itself. And I'm also going to create the text view and going to create this object as well, and I'm going to reference these two in on create override method. So initialize them, find view by order id dot button is itself a button, and then alt plus enter typecast. And now another thing that I have to initialize this text view. So find view by id order id dot text view and alt plus enter. Now what I want is that when I click this button, I want to change its color, its font and its text size, and I also want to change the background of this button. So for this I need to reference this. So I need to set the on click listener on this button and need to change this. So I can do this like this. So I need to button dot set on click listener and this. So it is going to show the error, and I can resolve this by hitting alt plus enter and implement this method. So we have already seen this kind of event handling so in our previous video. So if you are new to this video, so just please watch that and come back here. So I'm going to create a switch case here and get the ID of this view, get ID, and then have my case and it should be ordered id dot button and then break. So and I can specify my conditions here. So when this button is clicked, I want to grab this text view. So I'm going to grab this text view and going to set the typeface, and its style should be font, and I'm going to monospace. So let me run this. So it's asking me for the emulator. I will go for Nexus C and use same telex for the future running as well. Okay, it's now installing our APK in our emulator. So this is what we get, a button which says change the properties and our hello world. Now whenever I click them, you can see there will be change in this font of this prop text. So yep, it is changed. Now let me do another thing here. So I can also specify another parameter which says the typeface dot bold or italic, and I want to change its text view size. So set text size, and I can specify up to the 50 pdf. So it is just the float value. And another thing that I want to do is that I want to change this color. Text view dot set color, set text color, and it will going to be color dot okay blue. And I'm also going to change the background of my button, so button dot set background color, and I'm going to make this color as green. Okay, great. Now let me hit run, and there we go. So now whenever I click this button, it should change its color, it should change its size, and it should change its font as well. So and make it bold and italic, and also its background color of this button should change. Now let's see what it happens when I click this button. There you go. So you can see it's bold and italic, and its color size and its text size is 50, and then its color is blue, and also the change in background. Okay, so this is all about how you can change all of these properties on clicking the button. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part.